Hello and welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. Today, we show how to submit a support ticket to our engineers via our new Ask support portal. To access Ask, open a browser and type ask.cadence.com. This will redirect you to a login page. If you do not already have an account, you can click Create an Account on the right. To do this, you would need your corporate email address and your host ID. To find out more, you can click on the Getting Started with Cadence Ask link on the right. Once you are registered, come back to this page, enter your corporate email and password, and click Login. Once you're logged into Ask, there are two ways of submitting a case. You can click on the red Create Case button at the top, or you can click on the Cases button on the left and then click on Create Case. In here, you can also click on View Request to view all your previously logged cases. Now let's walk through how to log a case. To do that, we're going to click on Create Case, and then it's going to open a portal. So here we are going to select your products. You can type for Fidelity Pointwise, Fidelity, and you click on Fidelity Pointwise. At this point, it is important to indicate if the support is ITAR related. If it is, enable the ribbon indicating it is. Once that is done, a lot of the options or information would be disabled and our engineers will contact you via email directly for more assistance. Enter some keywords that define your problem. Once this is done, an AI summary of the solutions from our resources is presented to you for review, with relevant materials and videos available below. Often, you may find your solutions in these suggestions. If you do, you can click on I found my answer. If they are still not satisfactory, you can click on Continue creating a case. The final AI summary of possible solutions is presented to you. If it helps, you can click on the left mouse button. If not, you can click on the right button to continue creating the case. On the next page, you provide more information about the issue so that your support can be routed more efficiently. For Fidelity Pointwise, you will need to provide what feature your question or issue is about. Similarly, select your product version. In the severity, select from the 3 levels, with critical being the blocker for your workflow. You can also update the important keywords here and provide a detailed description of your problem with attachments if needed. Again, note that any ITAR-related material should not be attached or included in your ticket. In the CC list entry, you can add the email addresses of any members you wish to be included in the ticket emails. Optionally, if needed, you can attach a link to a secured FTP account with files for our engineers to look at. Once all these are done, you can click on Submit Case at the bottom right. Our engineers will receive the case and respond as soon as possible. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, drop us a line below or connect with us via LinkedIn, which is linked below. Thank you and have a pleasant Tuesday.